This afternoon on KGW News at 4, we're keeping our eyes on the weather today. It's been a rainy, blustery day in the Rose City, and we even saw a tornado warning this afternoon in Clark County. Thanks so much for joining us. I'm Brittany Folkers. Weather is our top story here this hour. Let's get right to Chief Meteorologist Matt Zaffino in our weather center. So Matt, get us caught up to speed here. The National Weather Service just canceled that warning in the last 40 minutes. So what can we expect now?
Yeah, it's been a blustery afternoon for sure. And you look outside right now from our Wells Fargo Skycam, you can see the heavy rain that's just been pounding downtown Portland. And this has been a problem in and of itself because you get flooding of intersections, ponding on the roadways, but also visibility has been knocked down to next to nothing in this band of heavy rain that moved on through. It is 63. It's very humid out there. And that has one of the reasons why we saw these intense rainfall amounts, because the air is so laden with moisture. We'll get to the tornado warning in a minute, but right now we have an active flood advisory for this part of Portland, across the Columbia River into Vancouver and Clark County. This is what's called an urban and small stream flood advisory because of, as I mentioned, the threat there being roadways flooding, heavy runoff, intersections, storm drains, all of that kind of flooding that you get in an urban area like this. That goes for about another half an hour throughout the metro area here. And the rainfall has been intense. We picked up over an inch in downtown Portland in about a half an hour as that line of strong storms came on through. Now, earlier we had a tornado warning for about 15 minutes up in Clark County. No reports of a tornado on the ground. It was detected by Doppler radar, so the Weather Service very appropriately issued the tornado warning because we could see rotation in the cell using Doppler radar to see that, and oftentimes that gives you a little bit of lead time that a tornado may be on the ground. So far no reports of a tornado on the ground, but it was certainly seen by radar, and that's why we had that warning that was issued for about 15 minutes. It was canceled 15 minutes early. It was issued about 3 o'clock, supposed to go to 3:30, was canceled at 3:15. But still, we're getting heavy rain out there. There could be hail. We've had a couple of lightning strikes. Look at the heavy rain right now. This is downtown Portland. Right over downtown, we're getting heavy rain up through north and northeast Portland, and then down through Lake Oswego. And if we zoom out a little bit more, right along I-5, all the way down to Salem, heavy rain crossing the interstate right now. It's a pretty narrow band. As we go through the evening hours, though, things will be improving. We're actually going to see, well, look to the west right now. You can see some clearing out over Washington County from our reserve golf course Skycam, and that's what's coming our way. The storms and the showers will be winding down tonight. Give another hour or so. Morning fog may be thick. That's going to be the biggest weather issue going ahead all week, because it's going to be sunny and warm. We've got some great days coming our way. More on that later. Britt, back to you.
All right. Thanks so much, Matt, for that update.